Hello everyone, I am Richa God from Quick Maths. Exercise 11.2, question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park. This is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in figure. So first, what is pentagon? Pentagon is a polygon, a figure that has 5 sides. It is called pentagon. So this has 5 sides. This is the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided in two different ways. He is saying that to calculate the area of pentagon figure, this is the pentagon figure. And to calculate its area, the two different persons has two different views to calculate its area. The Jyoti and Kavita divide the same pentagonal shaped field into two different ways. Find the area using both ways. We will find the area using both ways and we will justify the answer whether it is same or somewhat different. So let's start. This is a pentagon. Let it be A, B, C, D and E. It is also A, B, C, this one is D and E. A, B, C, D and E. Now 15, 15, 15. This is a square. So all are 15. So we can say ABC. In the case of pentagon, ABCD is a square. And on square there is a triangle on the upper side, that is EDC. Now according to first opinion, Jyoti, this is the second and this is the first case. So in the first case, I am drawing it again. In the first case, this is the first case. This is the perpendicular line. Now it is A, B, C, D, E. In this case, we can see that both are trapeziums. By dividing it along the D line, both are trapeziums. So this is the first region and this is the second region. So in the case of first region, this is the height. Let it be height. This is also perpendicular and this is also the height for second one. So let it be, just a minute. I am rubbing it. Yes, let it be M. We can name it as M. So in the case of this is the first and this is the second. So for this we can calculate as this is 15. This is also 15. This is 15 and remaining this one is 30. The major height is 30. So in the first case, for first trapezium, these are two parallel sides, AE and this one we can write it as N. D and R parallel sides. So area equals to area first plus area second. Both are trapezium. So area first is half into the height is EM, perpendicular distance, multiply AE plus DN. Similarly, for second area, half into the distance is CM now, multiply CB plus DN. So half into AE and plus DN. AE is 15, DN is 30. Multiply EM plus half into CM. We will put the value of CB. It is 15 and it is also 30. So it will be, I am writing here, area will be half, it can be common. 45 it is also common from both sides. It will be EM plus CM. So EM and CM, I am highlighting it from the white color. This one is EM and this is CM and the sum of EM and CM is EC. So it will be half into 45 into EC and EC is 15. So half into 45 into 15. So it will be We can calculate it here. 45 multiply 15. 5, 5, 25, 2 carry, 5, 20, 22, and 5 and 4, 5, 7, 6, 75. So it will be 675 by 2. 2, 3 the 6, 2, 3 the 6, 15, 2, 7 the and 0.5. So it is, I am writing here, it is 337.5 meter square. This is the total area of this figure. According to Jyoti measurement and division, the area is 337.5. So this is a calculative part for area first. Now for Kavita, I am doing here. Yes, we have sufficient space. For Kavita divided into as two parts. This is first part, this is second part. For first part, it is being shown here that it is square. It is just a square. So area of first part according to Kavita, 15 into 15. Area of first part. It is 15 into 15. So this is just 225. And area of second part, it is a triangle. In the case of second part, it is a triangle. I am rubbing here. Now, what is the distance of this height? Total is 30. Total distance is 30. This one is 15. So the height is also 15. So here in this triangle, the base is 15. The height is also 15. So half B into H. B is 15. Height is 15. So it will be half into 225. So it will be 112.5. This is a 112.5. So total area is the sum of these two areas, means 225 plus 112.5. So it will be again 0.5 here. 5 and 2, 7. 213. It is again 337.5. This is a total area according to Kavita's measurement and division of the field in different way. So what can you suggest? In both the cases, if the figure is pentagon and the measurements are given for this, measurements are fixed, we are not changing any measurement, we are just dividing the field in two different ways, then obviously the area will remain same. So according to Jyoti and according to Kavita division, the methodology to calculate the figure, the methodology to distribute the figure into different parts or regions are different, but the calculative part, but the main calculative part is different, but the answer, the result in the form of area will remain same. So this is our suggestion for it. The area in both the cases by Jyoti and Kavita will be 337.5. Thank you so much.